Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start a new chapter, Microbes. In this chapter, you will learn about recognize 4 types of microorganisms, describe how a microscope works. We are surrounded by living things that are too small to see. This idea was discussed from time to time in the last few centuries, but most people ignored it. Then in the 16s, microscopes were invented. Organisms in pond water seen through a microscope. The idea could not be ignored any longer. Using microscopes, scientists saw tiny organisms wherever they looked. These once were seen in a drop of pond water. Microscopic organisms are called microorganisms or microbes. The first microscopes were very popular. One microscope maker wrote that people would cry out that they have marvelous objects, a new theater of nature. Another world was about life itself were starting to change. A light microscope. You can change the magnification by using different lenses. These knobs focus the image to make it clear and sharp. A mirror reflects light up through the specimen. Light passes through the thing you are looking at, the specimen. A school microscope uses light and lenses to magnify things. It can make them look up to 1,000 times bigger. The specimen observed needs to be thin enough to let light pass through it. A scanning electron microscope. In universities and research labs, scientists use electron microscopes. They are more complicated than light microscopes, but they give fantastic images, up to 1 million times the size of the specimen. There are 2 sorts of electron microscope. SMEs, scanning electron microscopes, like this one, show the surface of specimens. TEMEs, transition electron microscopes, look through skin slices like light microscopes do. Images from electron microscopes are black and white, but they can be colored artificially to make them clearer. Let's talk about types of microorganism. Algae and protozoa. There are two types of microbe in the photograph at the top of the page. The long green strands are algae and the others are protozoa. It is easy to tell that the protozoa are alive because they move around in water. Algae make their own food like plants do, while protozoa feed on smaller microorganisms or take nutrients from the surroundings. Thank you for watching my video.